Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox even if it's blocked. Many schools or workplaces restrict access to certain websites, but there are straightforward solutions available. We will explore several secure methods to help you bypass these common network limitations. By the end, you will understand how to access your favorite games smoothly, using tools like virtual private networks and web proxies. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, is a highly effective way to access blocked content. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, essentially creating a secure tunnel for your data. This makes it look like you are connecting from an entirely different location, easily bypassing 90% of local network restrictions. Many reputable services offer straightforward applications for computers and mobile devices, making setup quite simple. Web proxies offer another way to bypass network blocks, often requiring less setup than a VPN. These services act as an intermediary, routing your internet traffic through their own servers before it reaches Roblox. While generally less secure and potentially slower than a VPN, they can be useful for quick access. Simply find a reliable web proxy service, enter the Roblox website address, and you should be able to connect. Browser extensions offer a quick and convenient solution, often integrating directly into your web browser. Many popular browsers have free or paid extensions that act as mini VPNs or proxies. These tools let you change your virtual location with just 1 or 2 clicks, making it easy to unblock Roblox. Always choose extensions with high ratings and positive reviews to ensure both effectiveness and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.